I'm Bethany. Thanks for watching DIY fashion illustration class. This is number 7. This week we will work on adding folds, zippers, buttons, ties, pockets, things like that to our drawings. So go ahead and print examples of these things, how things drape, button, zipper drawings, adding finishing lines to your drawings. So print those for your students to work on, and also print off things that might be specific to what they chose. They can also start adding zippers and details to their drawings. Have them add them to their final drawings once they are confident. We don't want our final fashion drawings to look flat. We want them to look more three-dimensional, interesting and fun to look at, and to do a good job of describing what the garments will look like in real life. Read the list of details that we're going to add today. You can talk about what things would be appropriate for each style and talk about where folds would be in fabrics as the models are moving. Have them look through the books you brought and notice folds and buttons and fabric creases in the books. Use tracing paper over the final drawings to work on adding details until they're perfect, and then once those details are perfect, add them to your final drawings. If they finish adding details to their drawings and have extra time in class, they can put tracing paper over top of their final drawings and work on adding color to their fashion illustrations. Make sure you turn on music so it's comfortable and casual and fun. And the homework is to come to class next week with the 6 final outfits, having shoes, accessories, and details all on the same page.